Welcome back. I've been using the Good Molecules Mandelic Acid Serum for a few weeks now, and I'm thrilled with the results. This serum has really helped promote a clearer, smoother, and more even complexion. My skin feels refreshed, and the appearance of fine lines has noticeably improved. The key ingredients are impressive. Mandelic acid, known as the mildest alpha-hydroxy acid AHA, gently resurfaces my skin without causing any discomfort. Combined with mild polyhydroxy acids PHA like phytic acid and gluconolactone, it provides additional brightening and hydrating benefits. The 2 sizes of hyaluronic acid salt are a game changer, leaving my skin hydrated, silky, and smooth. The serum works by exfoliating, smoothing, and evening out the skin. The AHA-PHA and allantoin support skin renewal, reducing bumpy skin and refining texture. It hydrates to smooth fine lines and dry patches, giving my skin a soft touch. Over time, the mild exfoliation has resulted in a brighter, more even skin tone and a radiant complexion. I apply a few drops at night after toner and before any creams, up to 4 times a week. It's simple to use and integrates seamlessly into my nighttime skincare routine. At only $10, it's an excellent value for the benefits it delivers. I highly recommend the Good Molecules Mandelic Acid Serum for anyone looking to